What's up, everybody? Got a little bit of a special video today, so stay tuned for that.
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, flew on some. I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, flew on some. I see them long, hard times to come.
Alright, so what we got going on here today is I got myself a little boy on the back. His name's Anthony and he's 10. He loves motorcycles. He has been influenced that motorcycles are bad, and he has been influenced that all motorcycle riders are gang members and stuff like that, drug dealers. And his uncle asked me to come over and give him a ride and prove him different, so that's what we're doing. I don't know if y'all could even see him though. I'm gonna ride back by over here so they can get a picture of him on the back there. There we go, buddy. How you feeling? You all right? You sure? Okay. Hey, if you look on this side, you can wave to the camera. If you want to hold on tighter, you can. But I mean, you know, I don't know, I don't understand why people would do something like that, you know, teach anybody that, you know, things are a certain way when they're really not. I think it's ridiculous and stupid, and people are just ignorant. They shouldn't do that kind of stuff. And by me helping this little dude out today, you know, showing him that, you know, not this stuff ain't bad. Maybe I'll influence him. He told me that he loves Harley Davidsons before he hopped on. I think he's a little bit intimidated by it, but seems like he's doing okay. I think he's still a little bit nervous. I'm taking it easy, just going around these neighborhoods before I take him back to his house. He does look, he's wiggling a little bit, but he's still doing pretty good. But first time on one, he's doing pretty good. Try to give him a little bit of speed, have a little bit of fun. Oh, I might just shoot a U-turn up here. I really don't want to get out of here on the main road with him. But yeah, I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. I mean, this is, y'all had the opportunity to try to, you know, show somebody, especially youth, that something's not what they seem. Would you do it? I'm gonna take him back to the house. I will probably end this video later on. I'm not gonna end it right now. This video is a little bit weird and cut up, and I apologize for that, but I I didn't record as much as I thought I was going to. The day didn't go exactly as I planned it, but kind of close. It felt good to take little Anthony for a ride. Let him see that you know, motorcycles in general are not bad. But he said he is a fan of Harley Davidsons, so that's, you know, really good. I'm glad he got to experience riding, and I'm glad I get to be one of the ones that influence him. You know, for motorcycles aren't bad, that motorcyclers are not bad, and I think we should all be so lucky to be able to influence anyone. That, you know, doing what we do, it's not a bad thing. Not all motorcyclers are bad. Are there bad ones out there? Yes, there are some that give other motorcyclers a bad name. But 90% of us are not bad. We're not drug dealers, we're not rapists, we're not murderers or killers, or murderers and killers, the same thing. But any of that kind of stuff, you know? And it's ridiculous for somebody to tell a 10-year-old kid that. But there was a lot of kids there, and you know, after I took Anthony for a ride, they kind of wanted to go for a ride, but just wasn't the proper time. Only having one helmet, the helmet wouldn't fit everybody, so, and the other ones are still a little bit young. So, you know, I suggest if you get a chance to influence somebody, you know, do it. You know, give somebody a good chance or option to know that we're not bad people. I was speeding a little bit. I'll see if that cop is turning around. I'm sure talking about not being bad people. I was speeding and that cop I just passed, I don't know, he ain't turning around. He just pulled in a church parking lot. But anyways, it's gonna do it for this one. I wish it would have turned out exactly how I planned, but I'm still pretty happy with how it did turn out. So dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.